Hi, myself Sandhya, owner of Miss MSc Panipur. After completing my post graduation, I decided to turn my foodie passion into something meaningful. As a lifelong lover of Pani Puri, I always wished for a place that served it fresh, tasty, and most importantly, hygienically. When I couldn't find one, I decided to create it myself. That dream came true with the launch of Miss MSc Pani Puri, a humble stall located opposite St. Francis College on Sarjapur Main Road, Koramangla. Here we serve authentic, hygienic Pani Puri for just 30 rupees only, along with a variety of budget friendly charts made with love and cleanliness as our top priority. Come visit us and treat yourself to a delicious, safe street food experience.